Doesn't this computer have a coffee holder? Hold on, let me look. Hitting the button. Oh, it does. It does have a coffee holder. Wow, I'm really lucky. I'm going to put my coffee on this coffee holder. Oh, I've just worked it out. It's not a coffee holder. It's a CD-ROM. Just close it. The next strategy we're looking at is something called guess, check, and refine. And so what we'll be doing is guessing. Okay, so what's guess, check, and refine? So the first thing is it's a form of trial and error. Like we're trying something out, we're trying to see if it works, but maybe it doesn't. What you need to do is guess the answer, but you have to remember to refine or adjust to improve your answer based on what you find. So you've got to think about your guess and see if it needs to be greater or smaller based on your findings. And it's important that you don't just make a random guess, that you base your guess on an informed guess. So the information that you're sort of working out, you actually improve on your guess. Okay? So the first step, what we do with any problem is read it, and I always have to read it slowly and sometimes several times. So here's my example. Julia is 5 years older than Michelle. Twice Julia's age plus 3 times Michelle's age is equal to 35. What is the age of the two girls? So the first thing I do as I go is I'm going to write down what do I know. Okay, so I know the first thing is Julia is 5 years older than Michelle. So Julia is older than Michelle. So if I actually take Julia's age, I'm going to write Julia, and minus 5, I'm going to get Michelle's age. What else do I know? In the second sentence, I know that twice Julia's age, so I'm going to write a little bit of maths for that. So in brackets, twice, so 2 times Julia plus 3 times Michelle's age, so I'm going to grab a 3 in brackets, times Michelle, and it equals 35. So that's what I know. And what I want to find out, I want to find out their ages. Let's go. So the method is guess and refine. Guess 1. I'm going to guess that Julia is 15. Now notice I've started with Julia, not Michelle, because in the first thing I know is that Julia minus 5 equals Michelle. So I'm going to start with the most obvious person, which is Julia. So I go Julia minus 5 equals Michelle. I know that. So I apply that to Michelle's age. 15 minus 5, because my original guess was 15, equals 10. And then I bring out my second thing I know. So I times Julia's age by 2, and I add 3 times Michelle's age, which should equal 35. Let's do it. So 2 times 15 is 30, plus 3 times 10 is 30, so add them together is 60. Is that right? No. So 60 is higher than 35, so I need to reduce my guess. I need to refine it. Okay, so I need to reduce Julia's age. So my second guess, so not 15, I'm going to guess 12. So I reduced it. So remember, I know that Julia's older, so Julia minus 5 equals Michelle. So obviously 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's put it into the second sort of statement we know. So 2 times Julia's age plus 3 times Michelle's age should equal 35. Let's put it together. So 2 times 12 is 24 plus 3 times 7 is 21. But that equals 45. So again, 45 is higher than 35. So I need to reduce my guess again. So this time, my third guess, I'm reduced that age even more. So Julia this time is 10. So again, I know my second statement, or my first statement, Julia minus 10 equals Michelle. So 10 minus 5 equals Michelle's age, 5. Let's put it together in the second statement. 2 times Julia's age plus 3 times Michelle's age, it should equal 35. Let's try it. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 3 times 15 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15, so 20 plus 15 equals 35. And I've got my answer. So Julia is 10, and Michelle is 5. So don't forget, when you're guessing, make an informed guess by refining what you've discovered.